Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of loops in C programming and it is part 12. So guys, in this lecture we are going to write a C program to calculate sum of digits of a 5-digit number. So guys, now let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler. So guys, in this program we will calculate the sum of digits of a 5-digit number. So I have declared 3 integer variables I, a and sum, and I have assigned 0 to variable sum because there will be repetitive sum, and I have also declared a variable n of long integer type because user can enter any number and that number can exceed the range of integer constants. So that's why I have declared this variable n of long integer type, and after that I am taking input from the user for variable n with the help of scanf function, and I am using %ld format specifier for long integer variable. So guys, suppose we have entered a number, let's say 53,476. So now in while loop 53,476 is greater than 0, so this condition will be true, and now we are calculating the last digit from this number by using this expression. So this expression will be a equals to n percentile 10, and that will give you the value that will be 6. So the value of a will be 6, and then we can calculate sum by sum equals to sum plus a. So the value of sum will be 0 plus 6. So the value of sum will be 6, and then we are performing this expression n equals to n by 10. So the value of n will be 5347. So now it will again check this condition. So 5347 is greater than 0. So this condition is true. Now we will calculate the value of a by using this expression. So we will get the value of a is 7. And now we can find out the value of sum by sum equals to sum plus a. So the last time sum was 6, and now we are adding the value of a, and that is 7, to this sum. So now we will get the sum 13, and now we are using this expression n equals to n by 10. So the value of n will be 534, and then again it will check this condition. So 534 is greater than 0, so this condition will be true, and we will again find out the value of a by using this expression. So now this time we will get the value of a 4, and we will add the value of a to sum. So the last time sum was 13 and the value of a is 4, so 13 plus 4, that will be 17. So the sum will be 17, and now n equals to n by 10. So the value of n will be 53, and now it will again check this condition. So 53 greater than 0, so this condition will be true. Now the value of a will be 3, and now we are adding this 3 to the previous sum. So the sum will be 20, and now we are using this expression n equals to n by 10. So the value of n will be 5, and now we are again checking this condition, 5 greater than 0. So now this condition will be true, and now the value of a will be 5, and now we are adding the value of a to the previous sum. So the value of sum will be 25, and then by using this expression the value of n will be 0 because n equals to n by 10, and the value of n is 5. So 5 divided by 10, that will be 0. So now it will again check this condition. So 0 greater than 0. Now this condition becomes false. Now control will come out from this while loop, and we can print the sum of digits by using this printf function. So guys, now if I run this program, it is requesting to enter the 5-digit number. So guys, let me enter the 5-digit number. So guys, the sum of digit is 25. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.